So you want to invest in real estate, but you just don't know where to start? Hi, I'm Mark Stiles of Stiles Law down here at Studio B. So you want to invest in real estate, but you don't know where to start. Well, first things first. What type of real estate investor do you want to be? Do you want to be an HGTV type and flip this house? Well, if you can add value in an accelerating market, that could work. Or you could buy real estate to hold on to it. The next thing you want to be thinking about is your team. Of course, you want a real estate attorney, and the folks at Stiles Law can help you there. But you want a CPA as well, financial advisor, and of course, a solid real estate agent and mortgage professional. With certain types of real estate, you're also going to want to look into private financing options. But where are the opportunities? Well, get in your car, get on your motorcycle, bicycle, moped, whatever, and go to places you normally don't go. And open your eyes and look around. You will immediately notice distress. But let's talk about distress for a minute. A lot of real estate investors get a bad name because it seems as though they might be taking advantage of somebody in distress. But looking at it from a different lens, it could be a pure win-win. There are people that are hurting out there. There are people that are in homes that they can't afford. And you will see that with the deferred maintenance. Sometimes they don't know where to turn. They don't know where to go. And you might be their best exit strategy. One concept a lot of our real estate investor clients enjoy is the BRRRR methodology. Buy, rehab, rent out, refinance, repeat. Now, we didn't create this acronym or this concept. The Bigger Pockets podcast is where I first heard about it, but it works. Buy it, fix it up, rehab, rent it out, refinance with your local mortgage professional, get your cash back, and repeat the process. Now you are a real estate investor. And if you have concerns about being a landlord long term, well, we have a video about that as well. Thomas, if you would, please. Folks, I hope you appreciate this content. If you do, please share it with everyone and anyone. But know that I'm available to talk strategy at my Calendly link, calendly.com/mstiles. And remember, anytime you're working with a financial, insurance, tax, real estate, or mortgage professional, and the topic of legal services comes up, please ask to be introduced to the team at Stiles Law. Thank you, and be well.